Making an apple pie is easy with canned apple pie filling or fresh apples. See the description below for a link to making pie crust at home. Making the crust can seem daunting, but a few tries and it will become simple. A store-bought crust can also be used if you're unable to make one. Whether it be homemade or store-bought, the crust will need punched with holes in order to prevent air bubbles. When using the canned apple pie filling, I always heat it through before pouring the filling into the pie shell. This makes the filling hot and the crust begins baking immediately and also keeps the filling from drying out. If making an apple pie from fresh apples, use approximately 5 medium firm fresh apples peeled and sliced, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 3 tablespoons of flour, and 2 tablespoons of butter. Mix the apple slices, sugar, cinnamon, and flour and pour into the pie shell. Dot with butter. Roll out the top crust on a lightly floured surface. Cut vents in the center of top crust. This allows air to escape as the pie is baking. Brush the top with softened butter. Sprinkle with sugar and cinnamon. Bake in a preheated oven of 375 degrees for 50 minutes or until the crust is brown. Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel.